Unveiled Gemini Intelligence, a suite of features coming to the S26 series and Pixel 10 family this summer. The features will come available across your Android devices, including your watch, glasses, car, and laptops later this year. Gemini Intelligence can automate multiple step tasks for you and navigate the task too. And with visual intelligence, Gemini can instantly act. For example, a grocery list on your screen can be turned into a shopping cart with all items for delivery. Or you can see the travel brochure. You can ask Gemini to find a tour like on Expedia for a group of six. While Gemini works on the background on tasks like this, you can track its progress live in the notification. Once it's done, you'll only be given a final confirmation. Starting in late June, Chrome will get Android to help you research, summarize, and compare content across the web. And with Auto Browse, Google can book appointments or reserve parking spots on your behalf. At the same time, Autofill with Google will use Gemini personal intelligence to automatically fill even in most of the tiny details across your apps, including Chrome. Rambler is a new feature in Gboard that let you talk normally, compete with and and likes, and then translate all your text into clean and tidy. It will even understand when you're talking multiple languages in the same sentence. Rambler will clearly show you when it is enabled. Gemini Intelligence let you build custom widgets for Android and iOS with Create My Widget. All it takes is a text prompt. Finally, it brings an updated design language which is not only beautiful, functional, animating with purpose to reduce distraction and allow you to focus on the task on hand.